Tidings and salutations, friends. Nuzz here. And it was a while ago that, I guess it was last week, or maybe the week before that I saw an open tag in The Lost Ranger. The Last Ranger, rather. The Last Ranger. Not The Lost Ranger. Learn how to talk. Nuzz. Learn how to talk. Anyway, back on point. It was an open tag for 3 knives that you would replace. And I thought to myself, that's a good tag. That's a tag that I'm going to participate in. So, number 1 knife that I would replace, double quick, in an absolute hurry. Yep, you heard right. It's my best friend. I think it goes without saying that that knife would be replaced with a sense of panic and urgency, because I don't go anywhere without my best friend. It's just the way it is in my world. So the other 2 knives, they may surprise you. I mean, you'll think, Nuzz, you got that, you got this, you got that, you got this, and you got a bunch of stuff I haven't even seen. But I'm going to go right out there and say it. I'm going to include something that's not a knife, because I would absolutely replace this damn thing double quick. And that's the quill. The quill, I use it every day, carry it every day, use it every day. It's not quite as useful as my best friend, but yeah, absolutely, in different ways, this is very, very, very useful. You've seen some of the ways that I use it, have used it in the videos that I made. But there's another knife that I would absolutely replace very, very quickly, and it's in this box. And it may surprise you. In fact, it probably will surprise you. It's in my hand right now. Yes, it's an open now. Without a doubt, I would replace this open now if it was lost. Yeah, I haven't used this in a while, but yeah, I love this knife. It's so comfortable. It feels so good. And if you know, then you know. If you don't know, get one and you'll probably figure it out. This is not your regular standard Opinel. This is a different kind. This is I think the Opinel Gardener or something like that. And is it different? Yes, absolutely it's different. Is it better? Yes, absolutely it's better. In many ways. But yeah, I would replace this. And I'd do it quickly, because even though I don't use it all the time, well, let's just say, I'm like that. We'll say that. I'm like that. Nostalgia, you know, important things are always going to be important to us. This knife has cut many an apple, and yeah, it was a companion to me for quite a little while, actually. Quite a little while. Yeah. Anyway, I'm not going to start carrying it all over the place again, but now that it's out, yeah, it's going to get carried. That's just the way it is. So, yeah, this is my response to that open tag. And if you don't like that the quill is in it, well, tough shit. It's my video. It's my quill. It's my opinion. And the quill is definitely in one of the top 3 spots of I'm going to replace it if it's lost or stolen or whatever. It just is what it is. Anyway, I hope that any of you viewers or people that have channels would respond and show us what 3 knives you would replace if they were lost or stolen. Alright, fine. If you jokers need me to put a knife out in place of the quill, if it has to be done, then it becomes my 4th item. It's the Mercator K55K. Yeah, hands down, without question. Because I already have lost one, and I already did replace it the very next day. It was necessary for me to do. And, yeah, I love that knife. But for just 3, it's the quill. It's the quill. Because, well, this one doesn't come with me every day. It's not a constant companion any longer. It used to be. Used to could. These do come with me every single day. Now, I wish I could explain all the ways that I have used this thing. I mean, I really do, but I can't because there's just so many. Get one, carry it with you just for 3 days. 3 days carry a quill, and it will change your life. I promise. As far as the knives go, you know, you like what you like. This is my best friend. Yours may be different, you know. And I know maybe some of you friends of mine might be thinking, Snuzz, would you replace that one if you like? Yes. Yes. Absolutely, emphatically, yes, I would. Both of those. Replace them both. But one's a backup to the other, you say. This is true. This is absolutely true. And it doesn't matter. It would get replaced. Maybe I should just redo the whole damn video. Maybe. That's kind of what I'm thinking about now. Maybe I should just redo the whole video, order another one of these, and just show you 3 of them and call it good. Because that's the way it is. That is the way it is. Yeah. So, yeah, I hope some of you will, make your video similar to this and tell me what 3 knives you would replace if they were lost. That open tag's a good idea. If not, maybe you'll tell us what piece of gear you would replace. Like, me and the quill. I don't know. Anyway, the invitation's open because I would love to see, and I would love to hear, and I'd love to know. So comment below if you have no channel, or show me on Instagram if that's your avenue. Make a video if that's what you do. Whatever you like. I'm interested. You know I care. So, yeah, let's get that conversation going forward. Again. There we have it. And that's where we're going to leave it today. Thanks for stopping by.